Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make some delicious sweet potato fries with a homemade mayonnaise. The mayonnaise recipe doesn't have any egg in it, and when you choose soy milk instead of regular milk, you can make it vegan. We start with the mayonnaise, which takes us about 2 minutes to prepare. I need milk, sunflower oil, mustard, salt, and I spice it up with some garlic. Then I give it a final touch with some drops of lemon juice. I put all the ingredients except for the oil and the lemon into a beaker, and I make sure that my blender reaches the bottom of the beaker. So then I put the blender right to the bottom and I blend all the ingredients together. This just takes a couple of seconds, and then I start trickling the oil slowly into it as I blend. I use the sunflower oil, but you are free to choose any oil you like, such as grapeseed oil or any other oil which is neutral in taste. I stop blending as soon as I see that the mayonnaise gets thicker and creamier in texture, and now I finish up with some dribbles of lemon juice. You can use a little more if you like it, and you can even spice it up with some fresh pepper. The lemon juice starts the setting process, and after a minute or so, the mayonnaise gets its typical creamy and firm texture and looks like this. So starting with the potatoes. For this recipe I peeled the potatoes, but if you prefer to leave the skin on, you just wash and scrub them clean first. Then I cut them into slices and into sticks, which are about 1/2 inch or 1 centimeter. Here's a great hack for you guys to make sure that your potato fries are really crispy and not soggy at all. We have to bath them first in a mixture of cornstarch and water. I also add some spices to the mixture, which is salt, chili powder and sweet paprika powder. Then I put in my first batch of sweet potato fries, and I make sure every one of them is coated and bathed in the mixture. I leave them in for 5 minutes or so, and then I take them out and put them on a paper towel to get rid of the excess moisture. So for frying them I used a pot, and I filled it up with around 750 milliliters of oil. The oil got heated up to 350 degrees of Fahrenheit or 180 Celsius. You can easily test if the temperature is right by putting 1 piece of potato in the oil, and if it starts bubbling, you can put in the first batch. Make sure you don't put the fries in all at once, because that makes the temperature drop down too quickly, which results in soggy sweet potato fries. Since the sweet potato fries are covered completely with oil, I had to use a lot of it. Therefore, I show you how I recycle the oil by putting it through a fine sieve to store it for another time for other things to fry. After around 12 minutes, the fries got crispy and rich golden brownish and are now ready to get taken out. I put them on a paper towel to get rid of the excess oil, and then I season them once more with the mixture of paprika powder, chili powder and salt. So that's it for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment to let me know how you make your sweet potato fries crispy, and if you make your own mayonnaise as well. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe for more videos and don't forget to click on the notification bell to not miss out on the next one. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye bye!